Hello, this is editing me. I did a week and a day, basically, of my daily wear, what I wear every day. I was just coming on here real quick to let you know that I waffled on whether or not to do 2 full weeks, and kind of what the deciding factor was is that I actually I kind of don't wear some of my outfits. I wear a lot of repeats right now because it's cold and I'm waiting for spring and some of the summer to be able to kind of do, I might do a secondary video that's a little bit longer that gives you more of a snapshot of the different things that I wear. What I may do also is do like a full day, like what do I wear in the morning when I get up? What do I wear to do my hair? What do I wear to go out and about? What do I change into when I come home? What do I wear in the evening? And what do I wear to go to bed? I thought those would be kind of interesting because I have a variety of clothing that kind of goes over a period of time. And then the other thing is as it warms up, I have more things to wear. I am still working on rounding out my wardrobe. This year is kind of my hope to get kind of a variety. I like to have a variety. I'm very artistic. I'm very creative. So having a variety of things to wear is actually kind of what I like to do. Not that I need 5 million pieces of things in my wardrobe, but I do like to change things out. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please comment below as to what you would like to see. Would you like a layered video? Would you like, to see what the layers are? Would you like to see a getting dressed video? Would you like to see a day in the life or over a couple days? What does that look like? Let me know. I am eager to know and eager to get some creative input from you. Have a beautiful day and enjoy the video. Hey there, guys. I am doing a week in the life of somebody who dresses historically inspired fashion. So this is my wool skirt and my silk petticoat and my cotton petticoat and my drawers. And I have a 100% cotton jersey long-sleeved shirt over my corset to kind of smooth out the lines. And then I have a Woolix sleeveless under thing that goes underneath my corset. And then I have this beautiful wrap that my friend Susan made for me. It's knitted, and it's some kind of alpaca wool blend, which I think is just historically like spot on. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm going to a workshop. It's Sunday, and I'm going to do a day in the life all week to show you what I wear every single day in real life. This is how I dress, guys, every single day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey there, guys. Here's day 2 of Victorian inspired day wear. This is what I wear in my mornings. This is a wrapper dress I made, I think about 5 or 6 years ago. I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm just going to wear my wrapper all day. So this is my wrapper. I usually wear, some kind of under thing. I'm not going to show it to you because it is not appropriate for the internet. Anyway, it's really long. It goes all the way down to the floor. This is a bed jacket that I made, I'd say 3 years ago now. It is silk, and you can totally tell that I eat in it because there's stains down the front. My wrapper does not have pockets. When I made this one, I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, so I didn't put pockets in it. But I often, when it's a little bit more chilly, I will wear my bed jacket over the top.
And it's just a short little jacket. It's a straight, it's just like that. It's real simple. That's what I wear running around the house a lot of the time, especially if I don't have any guests. Like, this is what I wear when I'm slumming it. This is my lounge wear. If I am not going anywhere. I do often in the mornings, this is the first thing I throw on instead of a robe. I'll throw this on and I'll go downstairs and I'll make my tea and I'll sit in my chair here in my studio and I'll do my daily devotions or whatever I'm doing. But this, I wanted to show you because I really do wear this every day. I mean, I wear at least the wrapper every day at the house in the morning. I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm just going to hang out in this. And so that's day 2 of day-to-day wearing historically inspired clothing. So wrappers are traditional clothing. Bed jackets were worn all the time, and I wear these every day. See you tomorrow. Hey there. So today is day 3. I am wearing a house dress. I patterned this myself. I'm really happy with it. This is one piece. I drafted this on my dress dummy, and then the skirt is pleated, and then the 2 front panels are a solid. The belt is attached. I'll put a whole video on it, but I'm really liking that this is kind of like just loose. I am wearing my corset underneath because I am going out and doing some sessions with clients today at the office. And so I'm really, really happy with this house dress. It is a wrapper house dress style. I drafted it myself based on some pictures. I'm really, really happy with it. But this is another example of historically inspired day wear. And I think I might make another one of this same pattern because I'm really liking it. I have a black drafted. It's just not done. And I'm just really, really excited. And this week is kind of a mild week at home. So I'm not really dressing up much, but I do have some days that I have to go out. So you're going to see some changes still. But this is my everyday wardrobe. This is what I wear all the time. Okay, well, I guess I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are in the next day in the life of historically inspired day wear. And this is probably one of my most favorite skirts ever. I made this to go with this bodice. I don't wear this bodice as much. I love the bodice. I love the rich color. I really like the back. I love the lobster tail back. I don't wear it as much. It is wool, but I do wear the wool skirt, and I wear the wool skirt year round. I love it. Ever since I made it, I've worn it year round. I don't wear the bodice as much, but I love it, and it is comfortable. I've actually worn it enough now that the waist tape has come disconnected, and I noticed that this morning when I put it on, that I need to fix the waist tape. I'm not going to show you. Anyway, so this is today's clothing. I will wear this all day. I'm going to go out and about, do some errands, have tea with friends. I think I'm going to teach a class today. So that's today's outfit. So this is today's outfit. I am going out to a class with some friends, and I'm wearing this one today. I'm very happy with this day dress. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And I am excited to get working with some friends on a project today. I did fold them back a little bit for ease. I do think that I probably will wear them just a little bit shorter when I'm doing stuff, but to sit around the house, this is actually perfect. I like to have them a little bit over my hands. I wanted to show you how the lace lays on the sleeve. I used a piece of linen, and this is the cotton. And I did that because I really love the way it gives a texture difference and change. I love the length of this. It's long, but it's short enough that it's not dragging, which is perfect. And this is the back side, and I'm wearing the belt today. But if I don't want to wear the belt, and today I'm wearing a brace underneath it. But when I wore it the other day running around, I don't think I had a brace underneath it. But I can use the belt, or I can take the belt off, and it's just nice and relaxed. Isn't that beautiful? I love the design to this dress, and I am making more. I'm so excited. I have a whole nother fabric I'm going to make this one in. I'm excited. Hey there, it's day 6. Woohoo! I'm having so much fun with this that I don't know if I'm going to do an extended daily wear, but anyway. So this is my favorite wool skirt. You've seen this before. I literally wear it all the time. This bodice I made last year. It is a green print. It's a quilting print. And this is a beige cream fabric that's also a quilting fabric. And this red stuff is actually scrap from I think it was a project about 12, 13 years ago. And I mirrored it on the sides with the cream, and I think it really makes the flame in the red pop. I'll get a little closer. I don't know if you can see it, but there's this beautiful, like, glittery, flocked velvet to it. It's beautiful. And I had enough that I could give a little trim on the arm, and at the bottom it's got a little bit of glitter in it. And it really pops the red in the print, I think. I think it does a really good job of that. And I am wearing my daily corset with this. I am wearing my red petticoat and my cotton petticoat, and then I am wearing my wool stockings and bloomers underneath, which I'm not going to show you. I've kind of gone to wearing my hair up like this. I have this new style that I'm absolutely loving, and maybe I will show you that in this video. I've been doing my hair this way every day, it seems like now, for about a week, and I really love it. Well, a little bit longer than a week, since before I started this series. So anyway, so that is today's daily stuff. I have a couple appointments. I have tea with friends. I have a couple appointments. I have a doctor's appointment to follow up on my bronchitis. So wish me luck on that. And this is what I wear every day going out in public. I am going to wear my alpaca wool caul shawl thing that my friend Susan made me. I absolutely love this. She said that the pattern is on Ravelry. If you really like this, I can get the pattern information for you. Just leave me a comment below. I kind of wish I had one of these in like a black, because I love black. But I also would love like a burgundy, or like a rich cobalt blue, or an emerald. Oh, an emerald green would go with like 90% of my wardrobe. Anyway, I love this so much. I am tempted to see if I can commission her, maybe to even just make me one and pay her for it, because I absolutely love this. I've always kind of wanted one, I guess. I've looked at them before. I don't like the little capelets that pin, because they choke, they pull, and I made myself a little capelet, and it's okay. And I made myself a medieval hood, which I do love, and I made it so I could pin it to my garment so it wouldn't choke me. And I do wear it at SCA events, and I absolutely love it. But I have not made myself one like this because this requires like a stretch fabric, and it's lightweight enough. It sits properly and it doesn't slide and it doesn't choke me, but yet it's almost not tight enough at the neck. I do this a lot where I'm pushing it up to get it closer to my neck. But on the other hand, it's perfect. So anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Hey there guys, here's another daily dressed, historically inspired day wear. So I'm just wearing a simple wool sweater. I am wearing my brace, I am wearing a wool skirt, I am wearing my silk petticoat, I have my wool stockings on, same wool liner. I'm actually wearing a second liner over the top of the corset because it's a cooler day. And this is it. Just day in the life, you know, like you wear what you have, and I've spent a lot of time making my own wardrobe, so this is what I wear day to day. Here's another day in the life. Today is a brown skirt with a wool jacket. This jacket is actually based on Elizabethan pattern. It is wool lined in linen. It's probably one of the first history bounding items that I actually made because I made it for work. I was working as a secretary in a medical office, and I was cold all the time. So I wanted something that was, you know, nice and fitted to me, that I could wear comfortably. I didn't quite wear out the elbows. I kept wearing out sweater elbows. And I noticed that with this outfit, I sat a little bit differently. The shoulders are just a little bit off. They're not as high up as some of the others. You can see that it's shorter than my bodice that I'm wearing today. Wool skirt. Pretty much the same as what I wore yesterday. The reason I'm wearing it layered today is I have this activity I'm going to, and I am wearing a short sleeved bodice to go with my long sleeve wool jacket. And the reason I'm doing that is, per my partner's wonderful suggestion, I was going to wear a sweater, and it occurred to me that I usually roast when I go to other people's places because they turn the heat up really high. And we keep our heat fairly low at our house. We keep it right around 60, 61. And most people crank theirs up here about 65 to 70. And I roast when I go to other people's places. So I'm going to keep it light and cool today. I am going to wear a layer, and then the other layer that I will wear over the jacket if I need to is my wool capelet, I guess is what it's called. I'm not real sure what it's called, a caul or a capelet. And that is where I'm wearing today. Kind of the same as yesterday. I wore a sweater and a skirt yesterday, but today I'm going to wear a bodice. I was going to wear another sweater. It's still kind of chilly, but I want to layer so that I'm not too hot. So thanks for joining me.